Okay, this is going to be episode 2 of the Goodwill jar, the $20 Goodwill jar, unjarring. It's going to be more untangling. It's the kind of the bottom of the jar and the tangled pieces. We've already started organizing. You can look back at the previous video. I'll put them in a playlist in order. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. It really helps me out a lot. I appreciate you for watching. Okay, so we're gonna continue untangling. Thank you for watching. Do you find, like, I haven't done a lot of untangling yet, but in my mind, I think it's like very relaxing. No mark, lightweight, costume. It looks like it's missing an elephant. But I'd probably like remove pieces. Could remove things easily and or switch them around. Just to make it like even. Cute. Very lightweight, like this is all just probably plastic. But it's like, seems like it has its integrity. Like it's not gonna break or anything, so I'd probably put this in like a curated lot and just move around these charms so it's more symmetrical. All right, let's see. Cool cuff bracelet. Yep, hinged. Interesting. Ooh, it's like bumpy. This has a lot of wear. It's a smaller wrist, a little bit big for the way I like to wear jewelry, so probably a bigger wrist. This needs cleaning. This could probably be improved upon with cleaning. That's something I'm gonna be looking into more. I don't think this is anything sterling or anything really. I don't see any marks on here. Cool. This I'm curious about. What is this? Oh yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I like this kind of thing. Oh, it's great. Like a leather choker. Oh, it appears to be all intact. I don't know if you could see it because it's like I can't really hold them like cute. Like just like inexpensive chain and leaves, but very cute handmade. That'll go into. It's gotta be like, it just needs some finagling, but it'll be very pretty. And this would be just very, very cute. Not my style, but great like boho, maybe style piece that I would put into like a cool like leather and gold boho type of curated lot. Again, I had mentioned in the previous video, I did pay for this jar. So if you do see a few pieces you would like for like maybe $25 or $30 shipped, let me know the pieces that you're interested in and I can have you send Venmo and pack them up for you because I would just like to pay for the jar. But if not, eventually when I get around to it, I will put like curated lots for sale. Probably in a video, and then if nothing sells, then I'll put it on Poshmark. All right. This I have the other one. Cute. I could turn this into a pendant. Probably some earrings. Because I have the match. It doesn't feel like anything. I have something that looks like this that I would like throw in a lot, but I have to research it because I've heard that these can sometimes be porcelain. This is not, but I think the other one, it's a necklace I have, is porcelain. But maybe I would put that with these if I turn these into earrings because it would kind of match the same style. Very cute. this kind of, I don't know what these symbols mean. Cute, wearable for a curated lot. I'm not gonna test anything unless it's like, has a mark. Oh, I don't know about things like this. You could tell like maybe somebody restrung it. This is about the quality that I get when I restring them. Do I want to try to restring it? I think maybe I would just put these in a craft lot. All right, got the scissors. Let's cut this out because this is causing a lot of problems. This is a cute pendant. I would put this in a lot. It's really cool, and I have some other, I don't know if this is a real rock. I don't know if this is a real rock. I can't really tell, but I have some other things like this that will probably go together in a curated lot. I'm mostly interested in the beads for crafting right now, but I do tend to remember what I have, where it is, and I'll go digging for certain things if I'm like, oh wait, I have something I can use for this. So let's continue to cut this rope because that might free some things up here. Oh, not too much. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna be like a real pastime. Guys, if I get sick of it, I will throw it all in another craft lot. But I don't really want to do that. Like, I kind of, if I do sell craft lots, I kind of want those also to be like, more like curated and separated. Who knows? I have no real like strict plans for this. I just like doing this. Like the channel, the unboxing. It's like a bit relaxing for me. It's not being glued to baby. It's quiet in the house. It's wonderful. And I could film, so like I could literally, it's pretty easy to piece things together with iMovie. That's cool. So I can film little by little when my kids get home. I can just stop filming and pick up wherever I left off. The next time, you know. I think I will fast forward through all the detangling so you guys can just really see like what was involved. But there are some really cute pieces in here. Like really cute stuff. I don't think anything's sterling or gold, but it's just cute. I like this kind of thing. I would probably wear this. But I really have to pick and choose what I want to keep because I can't have like hordes of this stuff. If you've donated to the channel and you see something you want, let me know. Because I may just, if you're local and you've donated and you're subscribing and you're watching the video long enough to hear me say this, I'll just bring you, if there's an item that you like, let me know. And I'll just drop it off to your house. If there's something you're in love with and you're like, oh my God, Sarah, I donated to you. Would you, could I have a certain piece, or unless it's like a very fancy, but I highly doubt it. And even then, I'm not really too worried about like making money. I would just like to make enough, eventually sell enough just to pay my cost so I can get more stuff. Because I don't really want to spend tons of money on, and I'm about maybe $100 I've spent so far on So I bought this craft jar for 20. I have an order from Posh that was 30, and then I spent like 30 at Michael's the other day, so 60. So I've spent like 80 bucks of my own money. The rest was all the stuff has been given. I'd say it was more actually, because there's a few things I ordered on Amazon. So maybe 100, 120. I've spent so far on like the jewelry itself and crafting, but I have so much more stuff that people have given to me. I literally went on Buy Nothing Cheshire, another Buy Nothing group nearby. I think you're only supposed to be in one, but I visit my parents in another town. A lot of people know me from there, so I did that. People have been so generous. Oh my God, guys, I don't know if I can do this. I just don't know if I can do it. What a great jar though. Like this is ideal. Like it's crazy. It's terrible to untangle, but everything was really cool. Ton of usable beads, ton of stuff to stick into lots, a few items that I want to keep. A few vintage looking things. A few things for my daughter. So I would say it was worth the 20 bucks, even if nobody wants anything. Nobody wants to buy anything from it. Sometimes people get like, they end up just cutting. I could literally take this jump ring apart easily. And it could be repaired. But is that even gonna do anything? This is long. I really think that's gonna aid me. Maybe. Why is this so long? It's like the longest necklace ever. I don't even know if my phone died at this point. Oh, it looks